Hello everyone, welcome back to Charles Day YouTube channel. In this video, we will be creating this hoverboard effect using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And don't forget to get the code, link will be in the description. This is what we will be creating in this video. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below your favorite programming language. And let's get started. I'm going to start with HTML tab to get the first set of keys here. Link CSS script .js and do only one div of container. That's it. Let's go to the CSS. Margin equals margin equals 0. Enter. We're going to have padding and border. And we're going to have background color for the body. So you have to write body. Enter. Font family of Arial. And background color is going to be this grayish color, so we can see the colors nice. So next we are going to do the container. First of all, dot container. Enter. Get a max width of 800 pixels, margin of 40 pixels auto, padding of 20, background color of white, and border of 1 pixel solid, border radius of 10 pixels, box shadow. And guys, last but not least, we're going to have the main character of this. Is going to be display. Can you guess what it is? Comment down below. It's going to be grid. Display grid. Wait a second. This display branch of display good. Yep. Now enter. That's it for the CSS. Let's get started with our JavaScript. We are going to create consist source, enter, dot, full brackets, dash. We're going to enter the colors, green. I'm going to copy green, copy paste, 2, 3. Colors also colors. Green, red, blue, yellow, orange, pink, and So we're going to have consist. We're going to have consist of composition events, which is going to be color of red. It's going to be a hover, and this same thing I'm just going to have the colors that which I have written here. Can't put color red, I have put different colors like green, for example, blue, yellow, and orange. Yep. Last code is console. You can almost guess it because console.log is everywhere in JavaScript. Enter red 1, green 2, blue 3, yellow 4, and orange 5. So this is it for the JavaScript. That means we have completed our project, guys. So I hope you guys are excited to see the final outcome. Let's get started with the final outcome. Right click, show preview. Okay, oops, little peek. So nice, we got function to work. Draw something. Easy to start from here. Yeah. It's very hard to draw in here. Yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to get the source code. Link will be in the description. I'll see you in the next. Peace. Don't forget to get the source code. Link